Hello and welcome back to my channel everyone. A very happy new year to all you guys out there. A very happy 2021. May this new year bring a lot of blessings, a lot of abundance, luck, opportunities in your life. We are going on with our monthly reads for the month of January 2021. So far it's been very good for the sun signs that I have taken out. That's Pisces and Sagittarius. Only the two sun signs are done. So if you want to view any of those, you might have to see my other videos. But let's see which sign comes up now. And we will start with our read. Just remember, these are general reads. It may or may not resonate with everyone, but if it resonates with you, do let me know in the comment section below. And do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Okay guys, let's see which read comes up. Cancer. Nice. Let's see what comes up for our Cancerians. How this new year is gonna be for the Cancerians for the month of January 2021. Okay, Cancers. For January 2021. Okay. So in the recent past, Cancerians, you're dealing with a lot of turmoils going on, a lot of things happening all at the same time, not able to decide what's going on, why is this happening, everything's coming up on me, everything's stuck on me all together. How am I supposed to get out of it? So yeah, that was your recent past that was going on, that I see here. But then again, you had some kind of hopes, you have some kind of plan. Plan could be to travel overseas, that I see here. And again, you didn't want anyone to know, but you had to travel somewhere. You just wanted to sneak out of this situation, whatever is causing you troubles right now. You wanted to sneak out of this whole situation. You're like, I need to go have a break, I need to take a long vacation type break, because I'm too tired of whatever is going on right now. And then yes, I do feel there are improvements. I do feel that you got something that made you really happy. Could be a letter from someone, could be some kind of help in terms of your finances from someone. So yeah, I think you got something that made you a little happy, and you're like, oh, at least for the holiday season I have something, I have some amount of money that I can spend on myself. And then I do see you relaxing, having a good nap time because that's what Cancers are happily doing all the time. So yeah, let's I just want some clarifiers here for the Nine of Cups. I want to see what made you so happy. Let's clarify the Nine of Cups for our Cancerians. Yeah, you got some kind of wealth, some kind of money that came your way. Maybe it could be, when we get the taxes, we're so happy that, so much of money is coming our way. Wow, amazing altogether. So yeah, maybe you got it from someone, and because of that, you're now able to travel. You were wanting to travel somewhere, and yeah, now you can travel. Now you can travel overseas, because I do see that maybe you're going to meet your family, or you're yeah, I do see that you're meeting your family. You're gonna have a good family time together, and you might have to cross the sea to meet. Maybe you're living somewhere because of your work or something, you're living in a different country. But yeah, whatever stress was going on financially, maybe because of the holiday season or this whole pandemic thing that was going on, you got some kind of good sum of money in the recent past. Let's see what comes up in the present situation for you guys. Present situation for Cancerians. Love coming your way. Someone's throwing their arrows of love your way. Yeah, love coming, partnerships coming up in terms of your love life. Could be meeting a soulmate. And yeah, let's take some clarifiers here. We have the Eight of Wands, the Two of Cups, and the Two of Pentacles. Sorry about it, my phone. If you heard anything, that was my phone that is vibrating. Okay, Cancerians. In the present situation, you have someone in your mind that you're trying to approach in terms of your love life, of course. You're going towards them with your cup of love. Your cup of love is full. You're pretty happy, pretty confident, I feel, in this situation. I do feel that you're very confident that, and also you are throwing your arrows of love towards someone. You have an eye on someone. Maybe that person doesn't know about it, but you have an eye on someone. And you're pretty confident in approaching them. I do see in the present situation that you don't have a second thought in your mind that what if that person, sometimes we have all those negative things going on in mind. What if the person says no? What if this happens? What if that happens? You don't have that in your mind, but then all of a sudden the tables turn around and we'll have to check the energy of the other person that's coming in between again and again, because I ignored it on the first step because this is the Cancerian read that we're taking out. The fourth card, fifth card, again, everything's coming out just about that person. So let me just check the energy of the person that you're dealing with right now. What's the energy of the person the Cancerians are dealing with? Give me one moment here. Okay. You were dealing with this person from quite a long time, and then there was a big break. There was a whole challenging time in your relationship. There was this whole sort of a break that I see. Maybe you were concentrating more on your finances, you were concentrating more on your career, and there was a huge break through here. And now I do see the energy of this person. This person's pretty happy, moving on with their life, taking a major step in their life with the Fool card here. This person's actually moving on pretty happily in their life. I don't see this person coming towards you for some reason. I don't see the energy of this person matching out with your energy right now. Because we do have, if I see this person's energy in terms of your energy, what came out was the Lovers card. So definitely you guys were in a relationship before and something happened. Maybe you broke up or something happened of that sort. Yeah, because the Lovers card and the Death card, they just jumped out when I asked the universe in terms of the energy of this person, in terms of the Cancer energy. So ending to this situation, yes. Lovers card, again a yes. But then, as I said, the tables turned around this time. Let's see what comes up for you guys. So yeah, as I said, that you are pretty strong with the Page of Cups here. You're thinking that you are going with this good news, you're going with this amazing news to this person, and this person's gonna be really happy, and then you're gonna join hands, and the whole marriage thing, the engagement, the whole marriage thing comes up, and eventually nothing of that sort happens that I see here right now. The energies can change, but for now, I don't see the energies changing. I see you coming back from this person frustrated, not imagining what happened, not imagining that this person can actually behave in a way they will do or they just did, because this is the present situation. And then you coming back to the same place, you coming back to your country, because I do see this moment again, and then you're simply just looking in the sky and you're like, I have to focus on myself. And you become the magician, or maybe not. Whatever you came back with, this is just one thing, whatever you came back with, it's you because of whom all this happened. It's because of you that put in such an energy, because you were the magician of your life. So whether it be good or bad, you manifested it into your life. I won't say that you willed this to happen, but you somewhere are involved in this situation in a way that because of you only all this is happening. Maybe that time you could have behaved in a different way, and things would have been different, but now whether it's good or it's bad, it's you who was the magician. But now the tables turned around. See, this is what happens. Divine does not give you the opportunities all the time again and again, and you keep playing with that. That's what happens. And maybe you don't even realize it. Maybe because I don't see you realizing it. All I see is you coming back really frustrated. You're thinking, I shouldn't have done that. Why did I even think about it? This whole I shouldn't have even thought about this whole situation. This is of no use, and I should just concentrate on my pentacles again. And that's what you'll do again, because I do see before, when you went to this person that time, as I said, that you were juggling in terms of your finances. And this time again, I do see you in the present situation, you're juggling in terms of your career, in terms of your finances. But then there comes a hope, there comes the happiness your way, there comes the sun card. Now this is the bright hope for you. This is a hope that you have been looking for. This new beginning of your life, this can be a person, this can be a new job opportunity, this can be something in terms of your career, that is going to give you a lot of peace, that's going to give you a lot of harmony, that's going to calm everything that's going on in your mind just because of what happened right now with you. And that is when the wheel of fortune is going to turn. That is when you will be flying high. That is when you will be taking another leap in your career. There's one leap that you took before, maybe years back, and this would be another giant leap for you guys, for our Cancerians. There'll be a lot of wealth, there'll be a lot of opportunities, there's a lot of abundance coming your way. The overall situation also, we have the Star card, which means there's a lot of brightness, there's a lot of hope, there's so many good opportunities, there's so much of good luck that's coming your way. But see, before something really big and good happens in our life, something of the past that maybe you were holding on from a very long time needs to end. So maybe that thing, maybe you were not in contact, or maybe, but still something was in your mind, maybe that thing needs to end before you can have this giant leap. Let's see what comes up in the near future for our Cancerians. Okay, this wants to come out. Okay. What's going on, Cancers? This is what happened in the Sagittarius read too. Like when I took out the future situation, everything turned over again, and I'm like, I was in the past situation once again. My goodness. We'll have to take some clarifiers again. We'll have to clarify the High Priest, because we have the High Priest, the Knight of Cups, and the Queen of Cups. Now who's the Knight and who's the Queen, you might know better, but let's see. Is it the same person who's coming in your life, or is it someone different? Well, even though I don't take the clarifiers, I can still figure this thing out, because I do see what's happening here. Are you of a very stubborn nature? Because that's what I can see here. Even though all that frustration came in your life, even though all those things happened, something, maybe we can say that's divine guidance, or that is, I don't know what it is, but something changed your mind once again, and you went back to the same person. That's why the Lovers and the Death card for the other person was actually in the reverse position. Okay. So your counterpart is actually not thinking about this whole thing. He or she has no idea about it, what's gonna happen, because the Lovers and the Death was in reverse. So this cannot be the ending as we expected it to be. In the present situation, it can be the ending, but in the future situation, this marriage, there's you going towards this person once again with your cup of love, and the person who's gonna help you meet this person is gonna be a very motherly figure. Could be your own mom, could be a sister, could be a very good friend of yours. So okay, so she is the one who's gonna help you both meet. And again, there's gonna be the Two of Cups, the marriage, because the marriage card came twice. Once it left you in frustration, second time it came true with the same person. The person did not change in both these things, because you went back to the same person. What happened in your mind when this person left you frustrated, when this person left you juggling in terms of two situations? See, with the card here, and we had another marriage card here. Okay, so we have 3 marriage cards for you Cancerians. Wow, with the same person. That doesn't mean you're getting married 3 times, it's with the same person. So again, the Sun card, again the whole marriage thing comes up with this person. Even though you were juggling, you still had your mind, you still had your focus on the same person. And that's the best thing about Cancerians, because your focus is so strong. If you want it, you want it. Your focus is really strong. Sometimes you can be emotionally imbalanced, but not like Scorpions or Pisceans. That's what I love about Cancerian. Cancerians are stable. You turn the wheel of fortune in your favor. The wheel of fortune did not turn by itself, because as I said, good or bad, you are the magician. So if you are the magician, with the angelic guidance, you turn this wheel of fortune in your favor, went back to the same person, marriage comes up. Overall situation, of course, Star card, brightness. And look at it here. Why is the brightness coming? This brightness is coming because of the person you love, because of the person you want to approach, or you have already approached and things have already been messed up for you. I hope not so far. And that's why the other person's energy, the Lovers, was in reverse, and the Death card was in reverse, which means that there's still something left. It hasn't ended. Maybe the frustration came, maybe the whole thing came because the person, as I said, it's been a long break, and the person doesn't have you on their mind. That person's very much focused in life. She is, or he is, happy, feeling contented, feeling she's just growing more and more. She's growing more in her life, taking giant leaps, starting a whole new career, starting a whole new job, and then in her energy there was coming that someone's coming with a very important message, and then these cards popped up, the Lovers and the Death card. That means you were approaching, and that's why the energy went like, oh my god, like the full moon energy, and full moon's already over. So that was your read, Cancerians. Nice, I like the read. It's pretty good. You're the magician, good or bad, see? As I said. We're gonna take some guidance from the universe. Maybe the universe can guide you in a proper way, so you don't go through all these things, so you handle everything very positively. But always remember, because the guidance came in this read too, that there's someone who's gonna help you, a motherly figure. Don't forget about that. That was the guidance actually that we got in this read. So let's see, we're gonna see it from the Gaia deck. What's the guidance from the universe for the sign of Cancerians for January 2021? Cancerians, okay. I think we have 2 cards here. Yeah, we have 2 cards. Okay. Find an intermediator. That's the only guidance that I got from these 3 cards. You need to find someone who is both your friend and the person you're trying to approach their friend too. So once you find that inter-source, things are going to be much easier for you. You'll be transformed, the person will be transformed, everything. Good luck, opportunities coming your way. Universe is telling you that. There's a lot of good opportunities coming your way. There's a lot of happiness coming your way. But find the inter-source. There is one person, just that one person. There's that inter-source. Find it out. Now you're gonna find it out. I cannot find the person for you. I cannot fetch it for you. So go find it out. It's your read. So that was your read, Cancerians. A very how do I say it, very massive transforming new year for you guys. So a very happy new year, a very happy 2021. I'm sending all the good luck, good wishes, opportunities, and a lot of happiness, abundance your way. All the divine blessings are coming your way. I'll see you guys all in the next read. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.